In Namibia's vast landscape, where golden dunes tumble into the icy Atlantic, lies a town that feels like a mirage with a German accent. Welcome to Swakopmund. Hey everyone, today we're exploring one of the most unique towns in Africa, Swakopmund, a place where colonial architecture meets surf culture and desert winds tell stories of adventure. Swakopmund was founded in 1892 by German colonists, and the influence is everywhere. From the Woermannhaus to street names like Kaiser Wilhelm Street, it's as if a piece of Bavaria washed ashore in the desert. You can even enjoy fresh Apfelstrudel with Atlantic sea breeze. And yes, the coffee's excellent. Just beyond town, you'll find the moon landscape, a barren, beautiful terrain shaped by wind and time. Here grows the Welwitschia mirabilis, a prehistoric plant that lives over 1,000 years. This place makes you feel small, but in the best way. It's like time slows down, and all that matters is the moment. Swakopmund isn't frozen in the past. It's alive, with artists, surfers, and entrepreneurs weaving a modern story into these old bones. The blend of African spirit and European heritage creates a culture that's truly its own. If you're planning a trip to Namibia, don't skip this town. Swakopmund will surprise you in the best ways. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if Swakopmund just landed on your bucket list. See you in the next adventure.